There is nothing worse than buying a car and spending every weekend at the mechanic. You work hard for your money, and the last thing you need is a money pit sitting in your driveway. In 2026, car prices are still high, and making the wrong choice can literally bankrupt you. But some cars, they are absolutely bulletproof. Today, we are revealing the most reliable cars of 2026, the ones that will start every single morning and won't cost you a fortune to maintain. Let's get into it. Before we name the cars, you need to understand the 2026 reality. Reliability isn't just about the engine anymore. Modern cars are rolling computers. The biggest issues we see today aren't blown engines, it's glitchy touchscreens, failing sensors, and software bugs that leave you stranded. So, for 2026, true reliability means a perfect balance, a proven mechanical engine, and technology that actually works when you need it. Here are the cars that nailed it. Number 1 should surprise absolutely no one. It's the 2026 Toyota Corolla.
So the 2026
Look,
Toyota
people
Corolla
make fun of it for being boring, but do you know what's not boring? Having zero repair bills. The Corolla is a tank. The hybrid version gets an insane 50-plus mpg, and the 2-liter engine is so over-engineered it will probably outlive your house. Plus, Toyota's Safety Sense Suite is one of the most stable, glitch-free systems on the market. It just works. No crashing, no freezing. If you want the ultimate peace of mind car for 2026, this is it. But what if you want something reliable, but you actually enjoy driving? Enter the 2026 Mazda 3. Mazda has quietly become one of the most reliable brands on the road, and the Mazda 3 is their crown jewel. The interior feels like a luxury car that costs twice the price, and the driving dynamics are sharp and fun. Mazda uses traditional, proven automatic transmissions instead of the problematic CVTs you find in other brands. That alone saves you from thousands in potential repair bills down the road. It's reliable, but with a huge dose of style.
If you're considering the
Now, what if you have a
2026
bigger budget
Lexus
and want
NX?
luxury?
Here's what you
You
need to know
buy the
before making a
2026
decision.
Lexus NX.
Especially if you're looking at
When it comes to
compact
premium
luxury
brands,
SUVs.
Lexus is in a league of its own
The
for
NX
reliability.
is a great fit.
While
if you
other
want something
luxury
premium,
cars are infamous for
comfortable,
crazy
and
repair
easy
bills
to live with every
and
day.
failing electronics,
It works
the
especially
NX
well
just
for commuting,
keeps ticking.
city driving,
It shares
or
the
buyers
bulletproof
moving into
DNA of
luxury for the
Toyota,
first time.
but wraps it in a
One of the
stunning,
biggest strengths of the
high-tech,
NX
quiet
is
cabin.
flexibility.
We've covered
You can
the
choose
compact,
turbo
the
power
sporty,
for stronger
and the
performance,
luxury.
hybrid
But
for
what about the
excellent fuel
ultimate road trip
efficiency.
car? That's the 2026 Subaru
Introducing the
Crosstrek.
all-new 2026
And what about the
Subaru
redesigned
Crosstrek
classic that has
Hybrid?
everyone talking?
Perfect for
That's the 2026 Honda Civic. But wait,
Sleek,
there is one car on this
stylish,
list that has a
and
hidden
most of
mechanical
all,
flaw for
really
2026
fun to drive.
that mechanics
Meet
are
the Honda
already
Civic
warning
sedan.
about. And I haven't even
It all
revealed
starts
the
with sleek
absolute most
design.
reliable car you can
So
buy
wherever you're
next
headed,
year.
you can lead the
I've put the complete top 7 list with the exact reliability scores, common issues to watch out for, and the best years to buy in one comprehensive article. Click the link in the description right now to read the full breakdown over at agrccars.com. Don't buy a money pit. Read the guide first.